In the discussion, I added another word problem. There are 40 ornaments to be grouped evenly into 5 boxes. So I'm thinking 40 divided by 5 equals what? You may already know. You might be thinking to yourself, well, I know that 5 times this number is equal to 40. So if you knew that, then you would have your quotient here. Let's take these and divide them up evenly. So 40 ornaments into 5 boxes. I'm going to make 5 boxes. 4, 5 boxes. I'm also going to take the number 40 and count the ornaments one at a time so that they're divided equally into 5 groups. If I were to just start randomly putting the number 40 into these boxes, that may not give us a correct answer. So I'm going to take the number 40 and go one at a time. I know that takes a bit, but I'm going to count to 40 until I get to until my 5 boxes are filled up with the correct quotient. 40 divided by 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. How many is in each box for each ornament? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 40 divided into 5 groups is equal to 8. Just the same way 5 times 8 equals 40.